All right, so you've washed the ceramic coated car, you've dried the ceramic coated car, it's looking fantastic. What can be done next and what can be done as intermediaries between the wash process and just touching it up? One of the things that I really recommend is rinseless wash. Again, I have some rinseless wash videos on my channel, so I don't want to go through that whole process again. But this is Optimum No Rinse. Optimum No Rinse is a rinseless car wash, and it also has a lot of great other uses. You can take 1 ounce of Optimum No Rinse, put it in a 32-ounce bottle, and have a quick and ready ceramic coating safe quick detailer. And what you can do with a quick detailer, let's say that you have a bird that has droppings all over your car or just in a couple spots. You can have this even in the back of your car if you're at work with a clean, dry microfiber towel. You spritz it on the surface. You wait a second for it to wetten it and get it to where it's damp and can be wiped off. You wait for the quick detailer to penetrate, and then you wipe it off. And that way you're getting that bird dropping off as quick as possible so it's not creating any etching into the clear coat. This is a very inexpensive product that has multiple uses. Not only can you rinseless wash, you can make that great quick detailer spray that's going to give you protection later on, and it's going to give you that, oh my goodness, I just smacked into something, or I just got this big glob of dirt on the car. You can do that between washes to take care of it. I don't recommend wiping down the entire car with this. If it's that dirty, you need to do your rinseless wash or your 2-bucket wash. But this is good for eliminating spots that may come up between washes. One of the things you also may do, depending on what type of coating you have for your car, almost every coating manufacturer produces products that can be used as what they call boosters, but all they are is synthetic spray sealants that can really reinvigorate the hydrophobic process on your car. Now this one is for G-Technic, the C2V3. Once you've dried your ceramic coated car, especially if it has a G-Technic coating, you spray this on there one section at a time. You spray it on your towel, you wipe it in, you flip your towel, you wipe it in, and you're done with that section. It's really easy to apply, and the same with IGL Premier, which is their same version of a very similar product for their coatings. These products can be used to extend the life of your coating. They can be used to extend the hydrophobic properties of your coating, and they're also something where you can add just a touch more gloss, if that's your thing, to a coating maybe that's been applied for a while and you're looking to reinvigorate it and just get it back to day one if you've had it for a few years and you're looking to step it up a little bit. Now, these coatings are very easy to apply. They're very inexpensive for the amount that you get out of them. One small bottle of C2V3 is enough to seal 10 to 15 vehicles with the synthetic spray sealant on there. So even though this one little bottle might be relatively expensive, you get a lot of use out of it. It's something that if you're just doing it every month, every 2 months, because this product will last for months. Let's say you're just doing it every month. This is going to last you a year and a half fairly easily, maybe even longer than that, depending how much you use. Now, it's important with these products that you don't go with the more is more method. Really, when I have a towel, I'll fold it into fours and I'll put 2 sprays for the first application, for the first panel, and I'll do, say, half the hood. And then after that, I'll just do 1 spray. Do a panel, flip the towel, wipe it. 1 spray, do a panel, flip the towel, wipe it down. And really, you are not using much product. You're probably using much less than an ounce on every application of this product. And the same goes with the IGL Premier if you have an IGL coated vehicle. So this is just one of those steps that you can add to it if you're really wanting to make those hydrophobic properties pop out and you're really wanting to keep them on the top of their game. Most cars are great about keeping the hydrophobic properties, but this can really throw it into hyperdrive if you use these type of boosting products between coating applications, and if you're taking it to your detailer on a regular process or regular maintenance package to have him or her decontaminate it and deep clean it. These products can be used in between, and your detailer is likely going to use these products as well whenever they see the car, just to make sure there's even more protection on top of the ceramic coating. These types of products are not required. They are not something that if you don't use, your coating is go away. Just think of it as a little bit of icing on the cake. It just gives it a little more texture, a little bit more flavor, and it can amplify what's already there with the ceramic coating.